Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today, let us discuss how we can achieve anything in life. Anything in the sense, whatever we wish. Yes, we can achieve whatever we wish in our life. Then, for that, what we have to do? We should have some goals. Apart from that, we should have the readiness of mind or mindset. For that, we should accept ourselves as we are. As we are. No need to make a show off. For example, yesterday, just while reading the newspaper, I was reading about Rajnikant, the South Indian hero. You are knowing outside how simple he is. He never makes any show off. As he is, he moves here and there. But people respect him. Why they respect him? Because they know what he does on the screen is marvelous. And otherwise, when you see him outside, ordinary he is just like any individual. So this accepting yourself as you are is very, very important. So while doing all these things, we should learn some norms. For example, laziness kills ambition. But if you are having ambition, ambition kills laziness. See how they are both. Laziness kills ambition. Just change the sides. Ambition kills laziness. Anger kills wisdom. You are knowing when you are angry, you will be able to tell anything to anyone you speak because you don't have wisdom at that time. Anger kills wisdom, but wisdom kills anger. If you are wise enough, you are knowing you will never get angry. You will understand what is. So anger kills wisdom, wisdom kills anger. Fear kills dream. Because you are scared. So it kills your dreams. And dream kills your fear. In the same way, ego kills your growth. Because you are having ego. Okay, why I should ask him? Why I should learn this? At the same time, growth kills ego. If you are grown up, you won't have any ego. In the same way, jealousy kills peace. If you are jealous, it kills peace. But peace kills jealousy. Confidence kills doubt. When you are confident, you will not have any doubt. In the same way, if you are doubtful, doubt kills confidence. You are knowing when you are traveling by bus or by train, you can carry any amount of luggage with you. But when you are flying in the plane, then you are knowing minimum allowed is 23 kg, 15 kg, whatever it is. The same is with the life as well. If we are having ego, jealousy, anger, and so many other negative things, we will be filled with those things that our weight will increase and it won't allow us to go ahead or to achieve some growth. In the same way, we should kill all these things which are hindering our growth. I will tell you a short story and then I will explain you. Once there was a king. He was having 4 horses, but you are knowing the horses were, what I can tell you, very rude, unbehaved, not tamed at all. So he wanted a person to tame the horses. He told, I will give a lot of money to the person who tames these horses. People came and went because they were so wild that nobody was able to handle them. At the end, one young man came. He told, okay, I will tame those. But I want 2 things. He asked the king. King said, okay, what do you want? He told, I want all these 4 horses with me, and I only will look after them, their food and this and everything. And even for me also, for staying, arrangement should be done there only. And I want 1 year for this. King agreed, okay. And what this man did, these horses, all the 4 horses were very wild. He too went there. He always used to touch them, love them, give them food, give them water. And he used to run round and round the ground. Usually the horses also started running around him, along with him. He started touching them, patting them. He used to give them to eat. He used to sleep also there only with them. As the days went on, he started keeping one brick on their back and made the horses to run. In slow course, he was successful in that. Later, he started climbing the horse and having the nice horse ride. One day, as the year was passing, King came to see. King saw him riding the horse and having a beautiful ride. King was very happy. King told, what you did? He told, first thing is, I loved them and I was with them, so I was able to master them. So the king gave him a good gift, money and all whatever. And apart from that, the king told, you will work with me to look after these horses because you have tamed these wild horses. That is why I want you to work with me. He agreed. My dear friends, even in our body we are having this type of 4 horses. Very wild they are. They are not allowing us to grow up. What are they? First is fear. We are scared. So we don't do anything. No, I can't. How I can? So this fear doesn't allow you to move ahead. That is the first thing. Next is laziness. We are so lazy so that we won't do anything. And that is why we won't move ahead. Next is jealousy. We are jealous about others. And that is why we never concentrate on ourselves. Next is temptation. We are tempted. For example, though there is something for you, work you have to do. You have to study, for example. Even then, there is a nice movie. So what you do? You go for watching the movie. Or your mobile, you are knowing it is the greatest temptation nowadays. So you take it and just go on leaving whatever your work. So even we people, we are also having such 4 horses within us. So we should tame them first. Taming in the sense we should control them. If we are able to control them, we can achieve anything in this life. Have a nice day.